Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Battlefield REDSEC game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box. And now just type in Battlefield REDSEC to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button, which will now add the game to your library. Once that is done, you can click on the Play Game or the Play Now button to begin the installation. Now just choose your install location and click on the Install button to begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is completed, you can then start enjoying the Battlefield REDSEC game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Battlefield REDSEC on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.